Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Kishore. Welcome back to Multi Productions. This is another episode of Rifle Hunting in Deer Hunter 2014. So, please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. I'm going to just pause and resume back on the title. So once again, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the thumbs up button and let's get started. Oh, guys, so we have come to the title. I have full energy. I'm in level 42 Platinum Eagles, 18,624 cash, 0 gold. Let's continue. I got the Western Spore primary equipped rifle. I also got a secondary equipped shotgun. Clayton Commando, that is region 6, but it's okay. So anyways, let me just go forward and update all this. Let me just go and update a Glacial Bay. Okay, this is going to take a long time, so I'll update Glacial Bay and I'll be back. I'm going to pause the video once again, so I'll be back, guys, just a short while. Okay, guys, so I've loaded Glacial Bay. I've loaded it. These other ones are still not loaded because it takes a lot of time. I had to wait for a long time for this, actually. Okay, so I'm in the 4th trophy hunt, maxed out rifle. Okay, let me just see what can we upgrade today. So we're going to get 45 by that. And how much is this? Let me just see. Okay, 55. So let's try upgrading this today, and let's try upgrading after that the stability as well. So we're going to do a lot of hunts today. Let's begin with the first one. We have okay, let's do 8 mature Shiras moose. Let's go for it. 1 energy down. We have 10 more hunts left. 9 more hunts left. Let's load this and get straight in this. Alright, so let's just start playing. Okay, the moves are coming, and I better be going on with this. Okay, there we go, headshot, boom. Nice, awesome sauce. Long shot, whoa. Okay, another long shot, awesome. Just reload the gun. The rifle, actually. Alright, great. Let's just go forward and do this. Nice body shot. Nice one. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, that is a miss. I'm really sorry. Let me reload this part. Okay, there we go. Moves. Whoa, nice. Long shot. 15 seconds left. Let me just finish this up. Okay, the time is ticking. The clock is ticking even. Long shot. Body shot, okay. Not too bad. There we go. Nicely done. Hunt complete. Nice. Let's see how much we get for that. Okay, 9,000. Not too bad. Some 4 long shots. Okay. Next we have a predator hunt. Kill 3 Kodiak bears. Let's do this. We're going to get some 9,000 bucks by this. Nice. Okay. These are the brown bears. The brown Kodiak bears. Let's do this. Some 8,992 bucks just near 8,992 bucks just near 9,000. So not much difference. There's no big difference even. Let's just do that. Okay, there we go. Body shot. Boom. Okay, that's actually the next shot. I didn't see that. Nice. Complete. Wow, nice. This is getting really easy now. We have 8 more hunts. We got 9,902 for the extra long shots, I believe. Now let's kill 4 mature Caribou. Caribou are going to be tough because they run extremely fast, even than elk. Elk are actually easy. Okay, let's go. See this. See, they run really fast. See, I missed that one. That was really tough, actually. For me, because I'm really young. I'm only 10 years old. Okay, body shot, boom. Nice. Okay, I missed that one. Let's just reload. Okay, nice. Just carry on. Whoa, great. Okay, last Caribou. Let's do this. Okay, I missed that. Still have one bullet. I'm gonna miss this. If I miss this, I'm dead. Clock is ticking. Yes, we did it. That saved us actually. Body shot. There we go. Should actually be a tail shot, but it's alright. And complete. 8,992 bucks. That is an objective as well. Now let's kill some Alaska bears. Let's go. Boom. Okay, Alaska bear. Headshot, boom. Nicely done. We will get that one. Okay, that's failed it. Okay, let's get this part. Headshot, whoa, that is nice. Get this, let me get this. Okay. One bullet, load. Okay, there we go. Nice. We got it. Next shot. We finished it. Okay, now let's just try doing some upgrades. Let's try bringing that sight, scope. Okay, let's make it into moonshot. No, synthetic lenses actually. The next one is moonshot. Okay, let's just finish it like this. We got ads. Actually, I guess we'll just do this. Nice. What's this? Okay, Cradle of Empires, I guess. I don't really care about the advertisement. Just want to finish the side upgrade. I don't even care about this. Just a rip off of Candy Crush. Okay, we got it. We got Strider. This is Strider. This one is Moonshot I was talking about. So we have to get this. So 3 times 9 is 54, I believe. 54 plus 15 is 69. So it's going to be easy to get this one. We can finish the side upgrade today if we are doing the hunts properly. Now let's kill 6 mature Dall sheep. I didn't see Dall sheep for a long time. Okay, we see them. They're coming. Let's shoot. Body shot. Nicely done. Body shot. Body shot once again. Body shot once again. Let's just reload our bullets. Let's just make it 4 anyways. Just carry on like this. Wait. Okay. Let me find these Dall sheep. Long shot, boom. Just one left. The clock is not ticking even a bit. Got more than 1 minute left, and we're done. We are like 1 minute 16 seconds. That's great. Nice. Body shot. Let's finish this up. We actually finished it up already. Incomplete. Woo. Nice. I didn't even die once in this game. Last time, wolves are fast. You check that one out. You have to check that out. Also subscribe to the channel if you want to just see more Deer Hunter videos. Okay, it's not going to be easy. Surely. Headshot. Okay, there we go. Body shot. Headshot. Whoa, that was easy. Hunt complete. Great. It just gets $44 and finish it up because our time is ticking off the video limit. It's 10 minutes already. Let's see. 8 mature plains bison. Let's go and do this. Okay, let's just get started with this. Wait. Okay, headshot, boom. Boomed it. Headshot. Wait, where did I do that? Wait, okay. Okay. There we go. Headshot, boom. Let's just go like this. Okay, now let's do this. This is going to be the last hunt, I believe. Okay, failed at the beginning. Headshot. Just finish it up. Okay, time is ticking. Clock is ticking. Let me just do this. Fast. Get it fast. Do it fast. Wait, okay, I lost it. I give up. Hunt failed. There we go. Okay, let's just watch Nad. And I'm just doing this. And this advertisement actually looks cool. Just finish it fast. Finish that fast. I don't want to play. Vikings, War of Clans. Okay. Let's just play once again now. Just one more. Where are you? There it is. There we go. We completed now. It's kind of cheating, but it's okay. Who cares? We at least got the shot. Great. Just one more, I believe. Yes. Just kill 3 Alaska bears fast. Just finish up this video. The limit is going to end soon. Just finish it up. Wrap it up. It's actually kind of. So wrap it up. Whoa. Okay, I made a new word. Like a new word. Wrap it up. Come. There we go, body shot. Boom. But that actually looked like a headshot. Okay, come. There we go. We're gonna finish the game. Not the game, sorry. Finish the side upgrade. If you finish the game, that would be awesome, actually. Mature Alaska bears, hunt complete. Woo. Nice. Okay, the clock's ticking really fast. Let's just finish it up. Max. Okay, there we go. I'll finish it later. So anyways, guys, I'm going to end the video. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please smash the thumbs up button. That'll help me a huge bunch. Subscribe to the channel for more deer hunter videos and more content overall. Share this video to different sources. Favorite this video. And apart from that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye and peace out.